Hello everyone, welcome. My name is Shantanu Srivastav. In today's video, I'm going to show you this is a text field, which is a custom field also. And as we can say that it's a read-only field, it will count total number of associate contacts and write down the number of here. Just like it has three associate records. And if I hard refresh it here, so here we can see that there are total number of contacts counting as three. And if you add any new contact here, click on save and close. So now as we can see that it has updated as total number of contacts as 4. How to configure this kind of automation in Dynamic 365 we are going to see in this video. For that, let's start from the scratch. This is my D365 environment and I am at my account table. If I open any record from here, so here we can see there is a field which is called total number of contacts. So in our business case, this field should have the total number of contacts records, the numbering. That's like it has two contacts associated with this. So it should have two. And as we can see that this is a log field, it's a read only field here. I need to set total number of contacts whenever any record has been opened or there is any refresh going on this field. So for that, I'm going to write down a JavaScript. And for your knowledge, this is a custom field which I've created, and we can see the logical name of the field which will be used in our JavaScript. So I'm going to write down a JavaScript which will count the total number of contact associated with any account and set that value whenever a form being opened or this subgrid being refreshed. So for that, let's open Visual Studio Code. Here I'm going to write down the JavaScript. It's gonna be very short code, so I'm going to take you through each and every line. Let's start writing down our function execution context. Now we'll get the form context. Now we'll get the control of subgrid. Name of subgrid will come here. Open account form. Go to the subgrid. This is my contact subgrid and opportunity subgrid. I want contact subgrid. Copy this name. Paste it here. Now we'll check that if subgrid exists. Then we will run this JavaScript when fully subgrid is loaded. For that, use this subgrid dot add. Now we'll get a variable, and this variable if grid is exist then count. Now we'll get row count. Form in the end we'll set this row count inside our field, which is by the way a text field, so I need to set to string in the end of this dot of this row count. If you are creating a custom field which is an on integer format, then you don't need to add toString here. Copy this code and add it as a web resource. I'm not going to show you how to add it an web resource because I have done it several times in my previous videos. You can check those videos to know how we can add JavaScript as a web resource. For now, I'm going to call this JavaScript on load of a form event. For that, click on event. So I have pasted my code in this web resource. Now click on save and publish. Click on done. Now click on save and publish. Now it's been published. Go back to your CRM and do a hard refresh here. Now it should count the total number of records. Yes, and now we can see that their total number of contact has been counted here. If I try to add a new contact here, click on save and close. So now we can see that total number of contacts has been updated to 3. So that's it from our video. If you like our content, please like and subscribe.